Now, let me show you the same problem from a different lens, this time through fractions. Because in my experience, fractions are the most critical turning point in math education. This is where many children, even the confident ones, they start to disconnect. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not trying hard enough, but because fractions mark the moment math stops feeling real to them. This is where numbers become less intuitive, less visible. They can't see it. And if you don't teach this right, we lose them. Now tell me, what is 1/3 minus 1/4? Sounds easy, right? Yes, I can see already people, dropping their comments in the chat box. It's 1/12. But in my 15 plus years of teaching, I've seen hundreds of children, even in middle school, struggle with this. Now let's reflect, all of us. What do we usually tell them to do? Take LCM of 3 and 4, convert both to like fractions, and then subtract, right? They follow the steps like a script. But then what happens next? The moment you ask them, what is 3/5 plus 1/4, they confidently write it as 4/9. And what do? We tell them to practice more, do more sums, try harder. Because somewhere we've all been conditioned to believe that math equals more practice. But let me say this loud and clear. This is not a practice problem. This is a concept problem. Your student is not careless. Your student is not lazy. Your student is not underprepared. Your student did not understand the concept, plain and simple. You're asking a 9-year-old to manipulate abstract numbers without ever showing them what 1/3 and 1/4 actually look like. At that age, they're not wired to think purely numerically. They need to see the math, touch it, break it, rebuild it. And this is where our role as teachers has to evolve. Because Google can give the answer, Chat GPT can give the steps, but only you can see what the child isn't seeing. Only you can notice the exact gap in understanding and present the concept in a way that clicks. That's the future of teaching.